welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? Today I'm going to show you guys how to make an embroidery patch. Some things you're going to need is, this is from the sewing machine. This is where you're going to put your stabilizer on here with your fabric. And the fabric that I'm going to use is going to be felt fabric. That's the one that I consider the best so far, is this felt fabric. And you can also use this is like a cotton fabric. It has only one side of stretch, but then the other side doesn't. I would recommend using the side where it doesn't stretch and put it onto that stabilizer. The next thing you're gonna need is your needles. I got embroidery needles. You can find that on Amazon, Walmart. I'm gonna have everything that I have here in the description. Most of everything that I have here I bought on Amazon or Walmart. This comes with your sewing machine. This is very important. This is what you need for the embroidery design you're gonna make. Some phrase check. You're gonna need your threads. I have all the colors that I'm gonna use, and make sure you have everything, the bobbin all set up before you start making your embroidery design, and have all your colors ready to go. These are all the colors I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna do this design that I've done before. This design is not on my sewing machine. This I got it from embroidery website. I'm gonna have it in the description also, the website. They have free designs, and they also have designs you can you pay for. So it's pretty simple. You download it and then just put it into your computer and then add it onto your sewing machine. I'm gonna show you guys how I do that too. You're gonna need scissors for the extra thread that may get on top of the embroidery design. Your heat and bond. It's this I used before, but then I found out there is a peel and stick. This I got on Amazon. This is good for patches too. This one you don't need iron. It's more like a sticky backing on it, and I think I would prefer to use this better than the heat and bond, because the heat and bond you would have to iron it on. This one you just stick it onto your fabric and you're good to go. I'll show you how to do this, and then my other video I showed you how to use the heat and bond, so I'm going to use this one this time. And if you want to know how to use the heat and bond, go check out my other video that I did. I'll have it right on top of here, so you guys can go check that one out. So all right, so this is everything that you're gonna need, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started onto the sewing machine. All right, so since the design I'm doing is not from the sewing machine, this is where I have all my saved embroidery designs from the computer. The program that I've used, do your own embroidery design, it's Hatch Embroidery. That is the best program I would recommend. It's Hatch Embroidery. Welcome. Okay, so I have this cable came with the machine. I have it set up onto my laptop. It's connected onto the laptop. These are some of the embroidery designs that I made onto the program and put it into here. So right now I have the love owls. You have to make sure you turn it into a PSE file. That's the one that is considered for this sewing machine. And so you're gonna grab it and put it into the removable disc, which it goes into my sewing machine. So there it goes, and it's into the sewing machine. So I go onto the sewing machine, I hit this button right here, and there it is. So I press on that, and hit this so it can go into the sewing machine. And there it tells you all the different colors. So the white area is done for the owl. So now I'm gonna cut this extra string that's on there. Oh, it already got cut out. So now it's gonna go on to the next, which is the deep rose. And I'm gonna go ahead and set up my thread. And I put it on there. So right now I'm not gonna do the whole owl like this one because I'm having trouble with my sewing machine. It keeps messing up and the needle keeps coming off and all that, so I decided to just leave it like this and go ahead from there and I'm gonna remove this from here. And there you have it. That's how you make a embroidery patch. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Someone requested for me to do this, and I hope this helped out. Everything's gonna be in the description. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you have not yet. And any requests, any questions, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys soon.